Hi, I'm Marilyn San Clemente of Stamp with Marilyn, and welcome to my creative playground. My next class is this coming Friday night, and I'm going to be teaching the one sheet wonder technique. And what I wanted to show you today is how to stamp a one sheet wonder. So if you are going to do the technique and want to make your own designer paper, this is what you would do. So I am using the Pretty Perennial stamp set, which has these gorgeous flowers in it, and it has some fun little sayings as well. And I'm going to make my own paper. So I'm using the larger flower. I'm using Melon Mambo, Flirty Flamingo, which is a little bit lighter shade of pink, and Daffodil Delight. And I'm just randomly stamping my flowers. And I want to get a little bit of different colors. Okay, and now for example, this one did not fill in completely. Over here, I'm going to use my water brush and just fill in. There we go. A little bit. Okay. And it doesn't have to be exact because, as you'll see, when you cut the paper up, you're going to be cutting it up into all different pieces and things. So, light. That I'm using. Get some of that in there because I want the colors to be a little bit different. Okay, and now I'm going to clean off again. And I'm going to use some Flirty Flamingo. And basically what you want this to look like is wallpaper. You want a varied pattern. Ah, darn. Okay, let's try and stamp that one again. And press down a little bit. Ugh, it still didn't catch in the middle. Okay, so I'm going to fill that one in again. Oh, it's this side over here, huh? Interesting. And like I said, when you use that, when you cut this up, it really won't matter because you won't see those pieces. Okay, now we have, so I have used my larger flower, and I do have a smaller medium flower. So we're going to go back through and do some with this. And now I've got this really little flower, and I'm going to fill in some more. And then what I want to do is I'm going to use the leaf, and the leaf is a two-part. And when I'm doing this, what I'm going to do is I don't want the leaf to overlap some of the flowers. I want the leaf to look like it's behind the flowers. So to do that, you use what's called a mask. And to make a mask, you stamp your flowers on a piece of sticky paper, sticky note, and then we turn this around and there we go, get it to fit like that. And now what we're going to do, so I did 2 of the large flower and the medium flower, so I'm going to fill that in. And what we're going to do is we're going to stamp the outline of the leaf, and then we have this part. So I'm just going to stamp a couple of outlines, and those are going to go like so. And that will look like it's behind the flower. You'll see in a second when I take that off. And actually I can go behind this one. Okay, and then I'm going to stamp the detail of the leaf. And these have a kind of a watercolor look to them. I like that. They're a distinctive stamp, so they have this variation to give the leaves some different variations. And I'm going to pull these off, and I'm going to move this around. So let's do this here. Actually, I probably didn't need to pull that one off. And let's go back and do some more here. We'll do some here, like so. And what's going to happen when you take these two sections off, because I have those two masked, the leaf is going to show up behind. So like that. So it looks like it's coming from behind the flower. So now we're just going to keep doing that. We're just going to move these down around and keep filling in with some leaves as we go. And I also have a mask for the smaller flower as well. So I can do some of these. And down here. Okay. So actually I'm going to move this one over, and I'm going to do this area over here first. And I'm going to move this over here. Okay, there we go. And let's go up this way, like that. Let's make this coming out over here. And I'm going to move this one down here. There we go. And I have those done, so I'm going to move this one here. And let's go off this way. So as you can see, the masks get lots of use. And what I do is I put the masks back in my case and just keep them with the stamp set so that I can use them. Oops, I shouldn't have moved this one. So that I can just keep using them over and over and over again. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is look back through and look at some bare spots and what did I miss, and let's see. So I'm going to go back up here. I'm going to do this. Got some blank area there. And I have a blank area here. Whoops, where'd the other one go? Okay, so there is our sheet for our one sheet wonder. And if you'd like to join our class, I will be sending out the registration information tomorrow for that. Thanks very much for stopping by, and take care.